we'll go
The conference has been muted.
into the GIS tools for professionals. So I'll introduce this, and then Gil will speak on how the market tool works, and then Wei will give you a run-through. So we'll actually show you a live demo, kind of like the cooking show, where you can see, it goes into the oven and it comes out immediately. But the goals for this, and again, we've alluded to this throughout the whole presentation, is it provides a framework for creating these scenarios. You are the modeler. We can give you our best guess as to what is important. We've tried to put into the models, into the tools, those things which we think are important to change the scenarios, which may be important in the future. We, of course, we wanted to make them easy to use, and so we put them in a GIS package that most people use, which is ArcGIS. And we wanted to use consistent data. So we could have used regional travel models, but we decided to go one step back and use Caltrans and Census, which are universally available in California. And in other states, there's Census that you could use, but we would have to prepare the data sets. But in California, which it was funded by California Energy Commission, you can use all these tools. So we wanted to provide the guidance, as I said, but let you put your own inputs in. So what it doesn't do, it's very important to say that, as Gil said in the very beginning, and I'll repeat it, it doesn't do market forecasts. We're not going to tell you that in 2020 there's going to be 500,000 cars. You have to put the number 500,000 in to the model, or and it will tell you the spatial distribution based on your input of those people. And then, based on that market distribution, we can look at workplace charging and such. But there are some things that actually create a big difference. Gil was talking about HOV lanes, and it creates local distortions. But let's say these things didn't exist, then the model would be more. So going through time, in future scenarios, you may not even need to worry about HOV lane access, for example. And there are other kind of local incentives that change these ratios. But what it does do, it gives a market penetration, or given a market penetration, it gives the geographic distribution with workplace, connecting home and work, so distance, and then the ability to look at the price sensitivity to come up with the number of chargers needed. And then for fast charging, the location and usage of corridor fast charging. So I'll let Gil take it away for the market.